Realme Watch 2 is here. Is it good? Should you invest in it? Or if you should keep looking for something else? Well, let's find out. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this smartwatch, you can head to the first link down below in the description. So Realme had an event where they dropped 5 new products: Buds Wireless 2, Buds Wireless 2 Neo, Buds Q2 Neo, Watch 2 and Watch 2 Pro. I have already posted the reviews of the Buds Wireless, which you can check from the top right corner. Today is the time for the Watch 2, so let's begin. First of all, let's do a quick unboxing and then we will talk about the watch itself. So here's the shipping package. Let's open this up. Here we have the retail box. Now we are not going to read all the box because we will discuss all this in the later part of this video. For now, let's grab our knife and unbox this. We don't need this now. First of all, we get the useless stuff. Get out of my way. Next, we get the charger for the watch. So that's that. And last but not least, we have the watch itself. Let's take this off. So overall the watch is looking nice, but before testing it out, I think we should set it up here. So setup is quite lemony easy. First you need to download the Realme Link app and use your account to sign in here. If you don't have one, then you can also create. Now you could either scan the QR code shown on the watch, or you can select the watch from here. Tap on accept and you are done. Add all your details in the app and use the watch. One more step is there. Select all these BS permissions and yeah, we are done. Let's move to the review. Starting from the design first, I want you to appreciate the screen. This watch comes with a 1.4-inch 323 ppi display with 600 nits of brightness, which I would like to call very bright display. This was bright enough that I could use it in direct sunlight, and it's quite sharp as well. One thing that bugs me is the big bezel. If they could make this sleek, I would be really happy. Anyways, on the color side, we only get black, but there is one thing that you can do to personalize this watch, and that is you can change the straps. Talking about the overall build quality, it is made out of plastic, but no way it feels like it's going to give up. Also, to make things durable, we have IPX68 water rating, so it can take all the dirt and water. But be careful, this is water resistant, not waterproof, so you can't go swimming or take shower with this on. I know, very bad. Before talking about the features, I would like to show you around the watch. So on the home screen, we have the time and steps. Now first things first, we have customizable watch faces, so you can choose any face you like from the Realme Link app, or you can hold here and change. Now swiping down will give us the notifications and we can clear them all if we want to. To the left we have some settings like DND, brightness, power saving mode, raise to wake and settings. Now to get back, you can either swipe or you can press the button. To the right we have some widgets, like first one we have the activity, which shows the step count and calories burned. If we swipe right, we get a live heart rate monitor, weather, and lastly we have music controls, from where we can play, pause, change tracks and adjust the volume. To access the full menu, swipe up. First we have the activities. Here we can see all the details like step count, calories burned, distance covered, etc. Let's go back. We have a heart rate monitor. No details here if we swipe up. After that we have SpO2 measuring, pretty standard. A sleep monitor is also there. We can see all the details. Now if you are a workout freak like me, you can tell from the bicep, then I have a great news for both of us. So here on the watch we get 90 sports mode to track, like badminton, CrossFit, cycling, rope skipping, just to name a few. One thing I don't like is that you can only add up to 10 sports mode to the watch. If you want to add more, you have to remove some. Plus there is no auto detect mode, so you have to start manually every time. After we are done working out, we can check out the stats here on the workout record. Below that we have the alarms, which will start vibrating the watch. Next to that we have weather, where we can see all the details. Now after this we have few standard features like stopwatch, timer, music control, camera remote and find my phone. There is also breathe, which will support you in doing breathing exercises. Now a great feature that could be found on this watch is the Realme Link control. So this allows us to control our IoT devices like your bulb, earbuds, CCTV cameras from Realme. Now moving to the last thing in this menu, which is the settings. From here we can tweak few things. We have watch faces, display settings for brightness, timeout and race to wake. Then we have notifications for things like goals achieved, drink water, etc. Then we have do not disturb settings like smart mode and schedule. We have battery percentage here as well, and we can also enable power saving mode. Let's see what we have in the general settings. So here we have the option to power off, restart and reset. Other than that, we have vibration strength and app view. So if you don't like this list menu, then we can change it to the icons only, which I personally like. And that was it for the tour of the watch. And now let's head to the Realme Link app and see what it has to offer. Pretty basic stuff. We have battery up top, watch faces are here, activities data and other statistics right here. So first to our standards, let's see activities. By tapping, we can analyze all the data. Now if we tap on exercise, we can see the data of that as well. It's quite detailed, and we can also start exercise from here. Like if you want to go for a run, then we can select that from here. It will pick up the GPS from your smartphone and will give us accurate data based on that. We can also select if it's running, cycling or outdoor walk. Goals are also here if you want to set that as well. Just like the activities, we get the data for sleep, heart rate and SpO2 as well. So nothing to discuss here. Let's hop on to settings. So here we have watch faces. We can turn call reminders on or off. How about app notifications? We can set that here. Health reminders. From here we can see 24-hour heart rate monitor, stand-up reminder, water reminder, which is pretty cool. Thanks to this, otherwise I don't even stand up the whole day. Now next to that we have a workout. So here we can add or remove workouts. You can only keep 10 workouts as I mentioned. And if you want to add some more, you have to remove some. We have other controls like music, camera and find my phone. So let's skip that. Also setting our daily steps goal is here. Last but not least, we have firmware update and MAC address. And that was it for the app. So let's talk about the features. I mean, now that you have seen it all in the app, but still let's go through it. So talking about the features, we have quite a few, but I found these to be a bit inaccurate. First, we get race to wake feature, pretty standard, right? But on my watch, sometimes it doesn't work. Also, there is no tap to wake settings or something. Second, we get heart rate and SpO2 sensor, from which the heart rate monitor is quite accurate, but the SpO2 is not. Now there is also sleep monitor, which works sometimes, but not always. Like one day I woke up at 5:30 to drink water, and then I woke up at 6, which is generally my wake up time. But the watch was showing me that I woke up at 5:30 only. Plus it also doesn't record any naps if you take some in the day. For workout tracking, we have 90 sports mode, which we already saw in the app. And that's pretty much it for the features. I don't want to waste your time repeating those things. Find my phone, music playback control, etc. So let's get to the battery life. On the Realme Watch 2, we get 315 mAh battery, which is quite powerful. It took me 1 hour 46 minutes to charge full, and then I was able to get it running for 9 days straight with live heart rate sensor and set to every 5 minutes of the intervals. And to the brightness, it was at level 20%, so it's quite juicy battery. Charge it and forget it. Coming down to the price of this, which I know you are already aware of, but those who aren't, it is priced at 3,500 rupees, which makes it a stellar deal at this price. I mean, if you are in the market looking for a smartwatch, then you should have a solid option. But the thing I would like to highlight before you go to the affiliate link down below in the description, you have to go there. So I just want to say that although this has amazing feature and good battery life, but when it comes to heart rate, sleep monitor and other sensors, please take it with a grain of salt. Those won't be accurate. I get it, just a smartwatch, you can't compare it with medical professional monitors. But when comparing this to other smartwatches or fitness bands, this one is found to be a bit inaccurate. But not a huge deal, as you will be only using these features for a few days, and then you will be only using this watch for time and notification alerts. So don't worry, hit the gas. Anyways, that was it for today. I hope sucked all your watch time. Please leave a like on this video, and if you enjoy this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.